glass panel at the entrance to a business premises was left hanging freely in a vertical position without any fasteners during installation or repair. As one person opened the door to enter, the glass door suddenly shattered while the other fell. A worker at an industrial facility is trying to hold a long piece of rebar that has fallen from the structure in place by using his full body weight. However, due to an overload or a mechanical failure, the rebar shoots uncontrollably in the opposite direction. The worker narrowly escapes this dangerous accident without sustaining serious injury. A crane is struggling to lift heavy rebar and slowly tips over. Fortunately, no one is injured in the accident. Following the incident, the work area is completely evacuated for safety reasons. Gas stations are high-risk work environments due to the constant movement of vehicles. In this incident, an employee performing a routine fueling narrowly escaped a major danger when an out-of-control vehicle, failing to observe speed limits, sped past right behind him. The careless driver narrowly avoided hitting the employee. The incident once again highlights the critical importance of adhering to workplace safety regulations and drivers exercising caution. Heavy lift operations pose significant risks in industrial facilities. In this video, as a concrete cylinder is being lowered with the help of a crane, the chain suddenly slips and the concrete falls to the ground. Two people who were in the area at the time narrowly escaped the accident by running away at the last moment. The incident serves as yet another reminder of how dangerous it is to work under a load. The transport and unloading of heavy slabs with large surfaces, such as marble and granite, are risky operations that require extreme caution and the proper equipment. In such operations, it is critical to use securing systems to prevent the slabs from tipping over and to ensure that personnel do not remain in the danger zone. Even a small mistake can lead to serious accidents. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the videos to see more content like this that takes workplace safety seriously.